Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. So what we're trying to do is to get this door up as high as we can, so that if a car came in with a rack on top or 4 surfboards or whatever, that there'd be like maybe 1 or 2 inches more clearance on this. The only thing I can see, if there were some more holes here, actually there are some more holes here. We could move this over there. That would pull it up because this is what's pulling on it. So that would move it that way and move it up a little bit more. And the other thing is here, we've got some more holes here. So that would also move it a little bit. Then this is a possibility. It doesn't have to be right there. It could be pulling from over here, but I think I'm going to try this first, right here, and just move this up a couple holes and see what we end up with. Okay, so I'm going to need 2 hands here. I'm just going to take a screw. Okay, now we're checking the down closing, because it's not going to go down as far because we moved it. So you see it stops short by about 3/4 of an inch, 1/2 an inch. So the adjustment for that is over here, and a little down arrow, that's for the down adjustment, up arrow, see that for the up adjustment. So this is the way you turn it, counterclockwise if you want it to go down more. So we're going to go counterclockwise with another quarter of a turn. I think we're out of frame there.
We wound it back, the down setting, before we tested it the first
time.
time.
You moved it back?
So we didn't hit the ground for starters.
Oh, well, it wouldn't have hit the ground because we were going the other way. All right, so maybe another quarter of a turn or an 1/8 of a turn right there on that one to bring it down a little more, and then we'll test it and see where it stops. Koba, come here.
Yeah, it's not very sensitive. I gotta remind it.
Well, we're gonna test it now. So it's about right. Okay, we're gonna check the auto reversing on this. I just stuck my impact tool under there. And this is in case some kid or some dog or something was underneath there, so the door wouldn't close and trap them for minutes or hours or whatever. So it auto reverses when it senses something, some object is down there. And this is a separate thing from the magic eye. The magic eye just disconnects everything if there's something blocking that eye, like my leg. Okay?